Good morning, all of you. Coordination chemistry, cisplatin, and anti-cancer drug. Cisplatin is one of the example of coordination compound. Platinum central metal ion. There are two types of isomers in this complex. With the general molecular formula, platinum 4 plus ion, NH3 twice and Cl2. So platinum 4 plus NH3 twice Cl2. Amine is a neutral ligand, charge equal to 0, 2 into 0 equal to 0, 1 chlorine 1 minus, 2 chlorine 2 minus. When you add all these, you will get 2 plus on this complex. We can draw two geometrical isomer for this general formula. Pt, platinum, is the central metal ion. Platinum is the central metal ion 4 plus complex. We know this comes under square planar complex. Cis trans isomers occurs only in square planar complexes. 4 bonds are joined with the central metal ion. 1, 2, 3, 4. If the two amine NH3 are in the same side, NH3, two amine are in the same side, it is called cis compound. Now, what is the name of this complex? IUPAC name. 2 plus on the complex. This is nothing but your cis diamine. Dichlorido. Platinum 4 ion, and this complex is called cisplatin. There is one isomeric structure with this molecular formula. Platinum, the central metal ion, platinum at the center. It is a 4 plus ion, square planar. In the four corners, 4 ligands are present. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ligands are present. If two similar ligands are in the opposite side, NH3, two amine are in the opposite side. 2Cl are also in the opposite side. This is called trans isomers. Charge on the complex is 2 plus. The name of this complex is trans diamine dichlorido, platinum 4 ion, trans diamine dichlorido, platinum 4 ion. Among the two geometrical isomers, this cisplatin acts as anti-cancer drug. This cisplatin is injected into our body. The 2Cl minus ion, chlorido, the 2Cl minus ion form number of cross links between the two helix of DNA. These two amine are present in the outward position. These two Cl minus ion form number of cross link between two DNA helix, and it affect or the DNA replication, duplication, and leads to inhibit the cell growth. Which is cell growth? That cancer cell growth. At the same time, finally, the cancer cell death takes place due to the cross link formed by cisplatin. What is IUPAC name? Cis diamine dichlorido platinum 4 ion is IUPAC name of our cisplatin. Cisplatin is nothing but cis diamine dichlorido platinum 4 ion. Cis diamine dichlorido platinum 4 ion is called cisplatin. This cisplatin used as anti-cancer drug. It is used in anti-cancer drug. You know, in cis compound, the two chlorine atoms and two amines are in adjacent position. These two are in adjacent position. Therefore, it is called cis isomers. How cisplatin is used to cure cancer? So, cisplatin is a platinum based anti-cancer drug. This drug undergo hydrolysis. When the medicine of cisplatin is injected into the body, the drug undergo hydrolysis and react with DNA to produces various cross links. Now, when you see the helix structure of DNA, here you have two helix, and listen carefully. In cisplatin, the two amines are pointing towards outside, and the two chlorine, which is indicated by green ball, and the two chlorine, which is indicated by green circle, form a cross link between the two helix of the DNA. This is the structure of DNA. When cisplatin is injected to the body, the two chlorine atoms which are in cis position form a number of cross links between the two helix of DNA, and the two amines are present pointing towards outside of the DNA. So, these cross links, see the cross links between the two DNA, these cross links hinder the DNA replication, and DNA transcription, which result in the cell growth, inhibition, and ultimately cell death. So, finally, the cell going to death. It is used to destroy all the cancer cells. Not only in DNA, the cisplatin also cross-link with the cellular proteins and inhibit mitosis. So, this is about cisplatin, which acts as the anti-cancer trick. Cisplatin is nothing but cis dichlorido-diamine platinum 4 ion. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.